Namaste. I am Shailander founder of the brand Fanusta. I hope everyone is at home and safe. These days we have a lot of content to read about, to watch about the virus, corona. There is a lot of negativity about that. There are two things now. One, how to handle this content. Second, how to handle self and our families. Because of this negativity, we need to find avenues to create some positivity into ourselves and into our family members. I'm sure we all are doing different kind of works, like we are doing household works, we are doing yoga, we are doing exercise, we are talking to our friends, we are explaining them, we are guiding them, we are trying to handle this content more wisely, and we have to do that because this negativity would take a toll on our mental health. So this is the right time to come out of this negativity, because there is no other option, there is no other result apart from being positive. And how to be positive, because we all are doing our routine works, and now yoga is also part of our routine work. So would like to set a contest. We recently got this opportunity to be part of magazine Ideal Home and Garden, and we have got this cover page to create best of art and craft, which is core of our brand Fanusta. And our association with the brand Ideal Home and Garden magazine, it is a year-long relationship. We are trying to co-create an environment for artists and craftspeople to prosper, to give them a different avenue. With the magazine, we brainstorm a lot. Our team spoke to different artisans and craftspeople, and we came up with an idea to create a pitchwai painting on our front facade. So like a functional product. Pitchwai is a 400-year-old art originated from a place called Nathdwara from Rajasthan. That local artisans used to paint different functionalities, different work forms and behaviors of Lord Krishna on a canvas. So we tried to challenge that, we tried to change that aspect and created our building's front facade as a pitchwai painting. We have used few existing elements of our building. This is one example how we can use traditional art and create functional products. Likewise, in our store, our designers team sat with local artisans and created a few other products like a mirror, a console table, a coffee unit based out of the pitchwai theme. These can be done at home also. Like any person who is good at painting, any person who is good at craft, now you can utilize his or her time and create new products and create some kind of positivity at home. We at Fanusta now created a series of activities how we can use different art and craft. We are creating tutorial videos which will push through our social media, where our artisans and designers will speak to you and will guide you how to create different products using traditional art, using the art or craft which you already know, and they will give you avenues to use that art on different platforms. I would like to thank Ideal Home and Garden for providing this opportunity to our artisans and craftspeople to showcase their creativity and talent to the world. Lastly, I urge you all to stay home, stay safe and stay connected with Fanusta. Browse our pages, because we are creating a lot of videos which will be giving inputs on art, craft, artisans, their lives and many more. This is really very tough time, and we need to work as a community and overcome the situation.